Ready to save time and close more jobs? Followup CRM's proposal generator is built to help you do exactly that. With the proposal generator, you can build, review, approve, send, and track proposals, all without leaving your CRM. Getting started is easy. You can create a proposal from scratch or start with one of your existing proposal templates. Your team can reuse proven proposal layouts and simply update the project-specific details, saving time and keeping every proposal consistent. Need a more detailed estimate? Use the built-in quote builder to add line items, products, quantities, and pricing directly into your proposal. Once everything is in place, preview your proposal exactly as your customer will see it. If your team has an approval process, you can send the proposal to a manager for a quick review before it goes out to your customer. When you're ready, click Send for signing, choose the project contact, and send it off. You also have the option to CC additional recipients or send a view-only version if an electronic signature isn't required. Your customer receives the proposal instantly, can review and sign it online, and once it's completed, both parties automatically receive a signed copy. From creating professional proposals to streamlining approvals and collecting signatures, the proposal generator helps you save time, stay organized, and close more jobs faster. Schedule a personalized demo with our team to learn how Followup CRM's proposal generator can help your business create proposals faster, simplify approvals, and win more work.